Hey boys and girls, Coach Cove here. Today I want to talk about the push-up. Great exercise for the chest, arms, and core. Many boys and girls and adults have a difficult time doing it correctly. That is, keeping that straight arm plank position throughout the whole push-up. Many people sag their belly and don't hold that plank, and the key to doing that is just practicing a good plank. Sometimes people drop their head towards their hands instead of keeping the head out in front of the fingertips, and that just takes practice. But first, I want to show you a few variations that make it a little easier to begin learning good push-ups. A great way to begin learning a good push-up is to start with an incline push-up. Put your hands at the edge of a table or a counter or a chair or a bench. Get in a straight body plank position. Bend your elbows, drop your chest towards the corner, and push up. Slow down and slow up. Don't sag the belly. Don't bring your head to the table. Bring your chest towards the edge of the table and up. Use the same muscles and get you ready for a regular push-up on the ground. Once you've got good at the incline push-up, the next variation is the knee push-up. Instead of anchoring your feet on the floor, do the push-up from your knees, straight arms, keeping a nice tight plank position. Bend the elbows, drop the chest towards the floor, and up. Knee push-up uses the same muscles, just a little bit easier than a regular push-up. Once you've perfected the knee push-up, the next challenge will be try the regular push-up. Hands apart, shoulders over the hands, eyes and nose in front of the fingers. Maintain a nice tight body plank position. Bend the elbows down and up slow. You can go halfway down and still use the correct muscles. For a more difficult challenge, you go lower and maintain that plank position. Another way to work the correct muscles is to do negatives. Start at the top, lower yourself down slowly, and then do it again from the top. Same muscles. Keep the plank position, negatives. Give that a try. A great variation to use your muscles differently, add a little more chest, is to do a wide stance with your hands. Instead of shoulder width apart, keep your hands wide and do some push-ups. Also, if you bring your arms in close, your elbows in close, it adds more of the triceps. Another way to work the triceps is to do diamond push-ups. Put your hands close together. Bring your chest towards your hands. All while maintaining that nice tight plank position. Now we're getting to some more difficult variations. Another challenge would be the knee to elbow push-up. Push-up position. Bring one knee to the opposite elbow as you do your push-up. Helps isolate the muscles on each side one at a time. Another challenging variation that helps isolate the muscles on each side is the archer push-up. Start in a wide grip position. Slide over to one side, do a push-up over that hand. Push up. Go over to the other side. Push up. Forces your muscles on each side to do most of the work. Another variation is to utilize more of the biceps, whereas the diamond push-ups and the elbows in push-ups use the triceps. If you point your fingers backwards in your push-up position. That uses more biceps. It's pretty challenging. Still, another variation that makes it more challenging is the decline push-ups. Put your feet up on a bench, a chair, or a couch. Keep a tight plank position. And do push-ups with your feet elevated. The higher up you go, the more challenging it is. Another variation that adds more shoulders is the pike push-up. Push-up position with your butt up high, your body's in a pike position. Bend your elbows, bring your head to the floor. To make that more challenging, elevate your feet. And it adds a lot more shoulders. And then the ultimate challenge for the shoulders is to try handstand push-ups. Give that a try. Push-up is a great exercise. It's an important exercise to develop upper body strength and core strength. It's an exercise that anyone can do with practice. Just start with the easy ones first, the incline push-ups and the knee push-ups. Work your way to regular push-ups, and there are enough challenging variations to make it fun. The key is only do them with good, proper form. Once you start losing form, stop doing the push-ups, rest, and then try again. Thanks for joining me. Hope to hear from you soon, boys and girls. Take care.